Why are you investing? This is a series called Why Are You Investing, and most importantly, you need to do your investment analysis because a question will make sure you're doing your investment analysis in life. Hi, hello, this is Ganesan, your millionaire coach and author of the book Money Leaks, and these are the most important series, and this is going to come to an end now. And in this, I'm just going to share about why are you investing and what are the money leaks happening in your life. Money leaks in the sense you are investing, saving, doing all kinds of stuff, but somewhere the money is going, keep on going. We may be earning a lot of money, but the amount of corpus you have accumulated in life, the amount of investments you have done in your life will be much lesser when compared to your friend who is earning much very less, but he has accumulated a bigger corpus. So that is when you will think that what the heck I have done, what the hell I have done. So the best for certain people, I'm just going to share about the things what I've given in my book called Money Leaks. It has been released by Jack Canfield. That is one of the proudest moments, as I keep repeating. So the first leak is savings. You want to save a lot, but the point is you keep spending Amazon Prime, Netflix, and frequent products which is available. When I see a new product that too related to food items, I used to order. But thing is, I need to I'm controlling myself. I'm just counting 1 2 3 4 5. In that 5 seconds, I just keep saying, should I need that amount? Do I have that money? Can I invest that money somewhere? Will it grow if I invest? That is what I think, and probably I'll cut short that spending for the moment, because if I get some more time, I'll think wisely and say that it's not needed now, and once I grow upon more than this level, I'll buy that product. So if that is the case, you will save a lot of money. And the next thing is insurance. In the name of insurance, you do a lot of stuff, the most important being the most important stuff insurance you need to take is health insurance, term insurance, critical illness, and personal accident policy. These are the four important policies, insurance policies you should have in your life. And apart from this, don't take any other insurance, because that is not going to be of any help to you, and that is going to be of bigger help to the insurance agents, insurance guys. And just go to the person who is telling to take these things alone, because these are lesser premium. If your age is less, you're going to get a lot of value, lot of coverage, and once you grow, your risk is minimized. You can take care, you can do whatever you have in life, and your family's investment is taken care, family's future is goals are taken care, and health insurance is also taken care. And the next thing is investment part. Are you investing wisely? That is a series we have been doing, right? So go and download the ebook link where it has everything about investment products, financial goals, time and money, how much you should invest, how far you should invest, everything about investments. Please go and download this. And because of that, why I asking you to download is that it has everything, every other detail, because you wouldn't have come across that kind of analysis, and that would have made you to force a mistake. Even I had gone through, but the time to correct. Are you ready to correct yourself so that you are coming out of it? And people think that it's easy to get debt in the sense EMI. You can buy things on EMI, even it is a big home, even if it is a bigger consumer product, it is easy to get that. But the point is the debt a bigger trap? Because of debt, if you're not saving, it's a leak, right? You will buy things on EMI when your income is increasing, when you are around 40s and 50s, but that is the time you need to accumulate a lot of money. That is the time it will increase your corpus, increase your lifestyle. But instead, if you're focusing on debts, automatically you will lose your focus on investing in your life, and you will lose your focus on savings. It's a biggest leak which is happening in your life, right? So forget about debts. And finally, the lifestyle. The Because all through our lifetime we had focused on lifestyle, later improving our lifestyle. But if you look at the last 10 to 15 years, the growth of Amazon, all these online platforms, it made the life like I should be like that, I should be like my friend, I should start traveling, all these stuff. If that is the case, if you're focusing on lifestyle instead of the way you grow your life with style, automatically it will be bigger leak. Just think about buying things on frequently, going for a mall, frequent shopping, going shopping in Amazon, Flipkart, or Big Basket, or whatever. I'm not against these things. If you're buying essential things, please go and do that. What I'm saying is unwanted stuff, just look at around your home. You will see that in the name of lifestyle, you have bought so many things which is not of any use right now in life. And that is the thing I'm saying, I'm against that. So that is a leak. If you have enough money, and mind you, all the millionaires, they're not going to spend money on all these kind of stuff. They are very much sure, they're very much clear what they want in life, and they do just that alone. They will spend money on that alone. They won't spend money on bigger lifestyle, because they're not going to show off. The Millionaire Next Door, that is one of the beautiful book which I started reading. That book will give you a lots of things saying that millionaires are actually frugal people. They won't spend a lot of money. They think a lot of time before spending their money. So this is a common leaks which will happen in your life. It's called money leak as per according to me. So please correct those leaks and go download the ebook. Go through all the lessons, all the important reasons, 7 reasons I had given. That will give you a bigger picture. And if you want to learn deeper, if you want to go deeper and learn things, I had given a video course, or you can reach out to me if you need any kind of help with respect to doing investment analysis in your life. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video on Facebook, please click the like button, share it with your friends. And if you're watching it on YouTube, please click the subscriber button, bell button, and share it with your friends as usual. Thank you so much for watching. This series investment analysis almost done. We had done almost 6 videos. Please go and watch all the videos. Each video is having a different thing, and more importantly, click the ebook link in the description section and download the free ebook. That will give you a bigger picture. Thank you so much for watching.